Just received our Greenworks max power 80 volt 10-inch pole saw. Going to open it up, show you what we have. Take it right down onto the box. Cuts 135 cuts on a single charge. This is the Gen 2, which has a rapid charger on it. You get the charger and the 80 volt battery itself. It is equivalent to 20 cc's of gas-powered pole saws. And then basically the chain is 39 foot chain speed, fast cuts, no bogging down. And I like it. It's expandable up to a max of 14 foot reach. And it comes in 3 pieces for easy transportation. Zero frustration, just set it up and get going. I just wanted to show you, very easy to put together. It did cut really quick, so no problem there. Small, lower limbs, really good. This has a ton of power on it, and it can just blow through. Like these palms that we're cutting here, it just makes short work of them.